We are now going to talk about planar graphs. So a graph drawn so that no two edges intersect except at the vertices. There is usually more than one way to redraw a graph to make it planar. Note, the edges do not have to be straight lines. So a helpful exam tip here, which we will see in action very soon, is that all simple graphs with 4 or fewer vertices are planar, and any complete graph with 5 or more vertices is non-planar. And this is going to be a helpful exam tip, and we'll see that later. All right, let's jump into example 4 here to see if we can show 2 ways that the following graph can be redrawn so that it is a planar graph. So what we want to do is redraw this in such a way that we don't have any intersecting lines. Because at the moment, do you see how we've got an intersection? If I come here, I've got an intersection here, and I've got, well, that's it, isn't it? That's the only place I have an intersection. So hopefully you can see there's actually a pretty quick way that we could fix this graph, isn't there? So if we come here and let me redraw it. So I'm going to go B, A, C, D, I'll keep E here, E, and I'm just going to put F inside as well, F. And now I can redraw this thing. So I can come here and I can say, well, this can stay there, that can stay there, that can stay there, that can go down. Oh, that's not very good. Oh well. Then this is there, that is there, that is there. Now, F needs to be connected to D, and E needs to be connected to F, and we're done. Hopefully your graph looks a little bit better than that, but hopefully you can see I've just relocated F to inside here, and now there are no intersections. But is there another way that we could have drawn this? And there is. There's absolutely another way that we could have drawn this, so let's try it another way now. What we're going to do this time, what if I took E outside the graph? So let's try that now. So I'm going to still end up with, and actually I'm going to have to do this a bit lower, B, A, C, D. This time I'm going to leave F here, but now I'm going to relocate E up here. And now, if I was to draw this, let's go for it. I need A and B to be connected to each other. I need that to be connected to each other. I need that to be connected to each other. I need that to be connected to each other. Now, D and F need to be connected to each other. E and F need to be connected to each other. And then hopefully you can see here, like by taking this out, these two are going to flip up. So B and E, A and E need to be connected to each other like that. And then there's one more that I'm forgetting, aren't I? Because look at this one, C to E, that would have to be connected to each other like that. So the way I kind of think about it in my head, I'm just like plopping this up here, and that is causing all of these to kind of relocate out as well. And then, of course, E as well has to relocate. So all of these are relocating out because I'm putting E up there. That's it. I have redrawn it such that it is now planar, meaning it no longer intersects with any other graph. It intersects with any other edge. So that's it. Hopefully you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next one.